Cracking your knuckles is not destroying your joints. Since childhood, you've heard it. Stop cracking your fingers or you'll get arthritis. Fear, guilt, instant panic. Here's what really happens. That popping sound isn't bones grinding. Research shows it's gas bubbles collapsing inside joint fluid. Studies found no strong link between habitual knuckle cracking and arthritis. Arthritis is mainly linked to aging, genetics, joint injury, and inflammation, not the sound your fingers make. Noise doesn't equal damage. Follow health engineering for brutal, evidence-based health truths.